Hi guys, so today I will be talking about Maybelline the Rocket Volume Express Mascara. I'm just going to give you an overview of what the outside of the container looks like. So they tried to make the packaging like a rocket. I don't know if you guys can see that. The mascara is called the Rocket Volume Express, but the packaging is blue and pink, and on the inside it's pink right here. And then if you just open it, it just looks like a regular mascara. I'm going to go into a little bit of detail about how I feel about this product, but for any of you guys who are Maybelline mascara fans, you guys do know that this product has been out for a while. This is one of my favorite mascaras. Like if I'm not in the mood to try a new one, or I don't want to drop a lot of money for a mascara and I just I'm in a tight situation, or budgeting is an issue because I am in college and you have to be very careful about what you're spending your money on. This is a very good mascara to always go to, always revert back to. It's something I've been using since high school. I love Maybelline mascara, but this is hands down one of my favorite mascaras to use by them. I've had the best of luck with this mascara because usually when you are trying out mascara for the first time or you don't know how it's going to go, sometimes in my opinion mascara gets very clumpy, and if you had it for a while it's just something where you're I don't know if I want to purchase this again. I can personally give a personal testimonial about this mascara. I don't know if you guys can see when I open it up, but if you guys know what I'm talking about, the mascara that gets really clumpy, I really like the way the bristles on this brush are. So it doesn't have the long bristles like a lot of mascara brushes tend to have. They're kind of short and they're stubbly, and they feel like a different texture to me than a lot of other mascaras do. Also, something else that is very cool about this mascara is the fact that the mascara brush itself is kind of thicker, and like I said, the bristles are shorter. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it overall gives your eyelashes a better effect than a lot of other different mascaras would. Something else that I love about this mascara is just how small it is, the packaging. You can travel with this. It's not and the packaging is so cool to me. I love pulling this out, and then all my sorority sisters are like, what mascara is that? And I'm just like, guys, it's the Rocket. And they look at me like, what? And I was like, it's the Rocket. But it's just something that has been one of my faves, and it's something that I can't let go. I've been using this mascara faithfully since I've been young, and it's just been something that's never disappointed me. I've never had to consistently be you know what, I'm gonna replace this mascara because it's not working out for me. And it's gotten so bad that I'll go in a drugstore, and guys, this is a drugstore. If you guys know, Maybelline is a drugstore beauty line. So not only can you find this in places like Ulta, but you can find this in Walgreens, Walmart, your local drugstores. But something else that is just gotten so bad for me at this point when it's come to this mascara is the fact that I'll go to Walmart or Walgreens and I'll be you know what, I'm gonna try a different mascara today. So I'll go down the aisles and I'll just be looking at them, and then I'll see the Rocket and I'm like, okay, no, not today. And then I'll just keep going, and I'll still revert back to this. It's just something that is just but I'm going to show you guys how it looks if I just take a little bit and slide it in my hand. So as you guys can see, it's not clumpy. It really gets the job done. And it doesn't put too much okay, as you guys can see, you're probably oh my goodness, there's barely anything on her hand. So just to let you guys know, I have had this one. It's about time for me to get a new one. That's why I barely but just to let you guys know, when it's not going to take a whole bunch and just put a bunch on your eyelid, because that's when I feel like your eyelid gets very clumpy. The brushes and the bristles are very defined to where like it'll space out and it'll be good for your eyelashes. Like it won't put too much on there, and you can keep going in for different layers, but it's not designed to where it's gonna like make your eye lashes super clumpy. But I've had this one for like 2 months, and it's still working well for me. But if I could tell you guys how many of these like just little packagings I have laying around that I've used out, it's honestly ridiculous at this point. And like I said, if you guys are looking for like a very durable, like very something that you can always revert back to, you don't have to be like, oh, I don't know, like if it's gonna work well. I extremely, extremely, extremely suggest this one. This is like one of the best mascaras that I've ever invested in. And this is just, I don't know if I showed you guys what the bottoms look like, but it does have the pink on the tips, and this is just like what the top looks like. And I just want to go around and show you guys one more time what the packaging looks like, because I think that's at first when I started buying this mascara, that's what really drew me to it. So not only is it called the Rocket, but it kind of looks like a little rocket, but also just like the simplicity of it. Like the packaging isn't like it doesn't have cheetah print all over it, or it doesn't like, it's not like something that is like they spent a lot of time like, you know, like putting everything on it. It's just like the simplicity of it all that really gets me. And even the simplicity of the mascara too, like it doesn't have like a million like different things going on with it. It's just like very simple, and I love the way this product was branded and marketed, and it's just like an overall like very something good for me that I continuously go back to, like I've stated before multiple times. But I just want to show you guys what it looks like again.